It looks so good. Well, this is like my favorite thing ever. So pretty. The white wheels look so good. But I didn't expect it to look this good. She looks good.
I like this combo.
What combo?
The pink and yellow.
You opened bright yellow.
I know. Wow. I am so impressed. I'm beyond happy with the amazing work that Signature Image has done. I can't thank them enough. I didn't really want to put like camera up in their face, but here's their shop right there. And there's a happy girl. But yeah, seriously, can't thank them enough. Love the work on the Supra and can't wait to enjoy it. We're back at home.
Here's the Supra.
And we have a little bit of stuff planned for today.
So excited.
We got this nice Tomei, a turbo inlet and a charge pipe all going in today. How you feel?
I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear the Tomei.
So we actually already have the car jacked up and ready to go. But let me show you guys something that some of you may not know. But this stock exhaust is actually one whole piece. Hopefully we finish this up fast. I'm going to be working on the Tomei. And my girl over here is going to be doing the turbo inlet and the charge pipe all at the same time. So we could get out of here and hear all the noises, right?
In an hour. I took this off.
Yep.
I'm going to put this in.
Yeah. So basically, this attaches to the turbo like this. And that's the other end that goes to the intake. The reason why it's an upgrade is because see all those little holes? That's what makes it baffled and it muffles the turbo. But this one, voila.
It's okay, we're gonna get a T51 arm on soon.
Yep, very soon actually. So right now she's working on getting out the charge pipe out. And I already have the stock exhaust off. We just gotta pull it. It was fine. Uninstalling it wasn't that bad actually. It's not that many bolts, just a few hangers, and it comes out.
Really selling this.
What do we do with this?
I don't know. It's pretty ugly.
Why do they make it one piece? 50 pounds?
I think so.
And the Tomei is gonna be like what, 15? So here is the Tomei for the A90 Supra. She decided with the single exit exhaust, and I'm really excited to put it on right now. Very nice build quality as always from Tomei. Yeah. How about we take off the Supra badge and throw on this Tomei badge? What you think?
What? I hate BMW. Stupid sensors. Stupid sensors. And then put the breather, whatever this is. Can you like shut up?
So here's the Tomei. It's all put up now. It looks really cool. I gotta say, I really like the placement of all the hangers and all like the piping they did with Tomei. I really like it. That was her little special edition that she was wanting to do with the single exit.
I finished up in the front and he's finishing up in the back. He just needs to tighten it at the downpipe. Yep. Why are you doing it like that?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, it looks so cute.
The heart?
Yes,
like the heart?
I love the heart. It's almost gonna touch the ground. We should. I want to bag it. It looks so good on the ground.
I know, right?
Look, I just drove it for like a little bit, and all this brake dust on the white wheels, brand new white wheels. Crazy. I need like ceramic brakes.
Oh, yeah, you do, huh?
Yeah. It's like.
They got really low. How many
that.
RPMs? Below 1,000? Below 1,000 sounds really cool.
It does. It sounds nice.
Yeah.
a cold start? Because you know how it does like the pop?
Yeah, I get you.
That's so good.
Is that a custom play or not?
44444 H1. What did you miss a 4? What the heck is that? Funny and weird.
How long is this?
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna take a little bit of a break. We're going to the Apple store right now. We're gonna try in these 2 phones or a tablet. We'll see if we come up.
Yes, for editing and work purposes.
Yeah, so hopefully they give it to us, but we'll see. Excuse me, doggy.
Come here, Bubba's. We didn't get an iPad. Just kidding.
So the trade-in was successful.
Yes.
We hope to be editing our videos on there now, right?
Yes.
It's gonna help with our personal iPhone storage.
It's also gonna help with his work.
So we're excited for that. We'll see how it goes.
Oh my gosh, is that a Supra? Is it pink? With the hearts? Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go on in the car. Oh wow, amazing.
What's that? What's the monito on the top?
Monito? No, it's a...
What is that? Ponga a dirigir el tráfico, qué chingados. Oh my god.
That's new car again.
You go.
Wow, that's so beautiful.
Wow. Good job.
Good job.
Wow.
You changed the agua?
Just painted it. The same wheels, but just painted white. Oh.
No, Misty's not there.
Wow.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
I'm cold. I'm so cold.
Things we do for pictures.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I miss my bed. No response. Oh, I don't. I miss my bed.